Well, we already got 3. So at that day when they gave me ESL MVP award, I was like, I didn't expect it at all. And I thought my teammates deserve it more than me. So I was shocked. But I told them, guys, come on, we can win 4 more. So let's do it. I think Huskar is popular now because he's strong laner against melee heroes, and he has new skill build now. He max first spell to heal himself and not leave lane for a long time, so he can farm a lot, and he has many options in game, so it's popular hero now. I guess we had problems at our beginning of a team because of age differences and another mental problems. Like, I mean, yeah, I mean, maybe not mental. Like, we had problems at beginning, but with each day we know each other better and we become very good friends. And I don't feel anything about age. Our team, we are just family, you know. We do a lot of things. We bootcamp for a month before TI. First 2 weeks we were playing at Moscow, just playing scrims and trying to figure out what is happening at this meta of Dota. And then we go to Canada and we bootcamp here for 2 weeks. Of course, we build new strategies, like practice it, play a lot of scrims, watch a lot of replays, and that's our usual training before the tournament. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.